Alrighty, we're going to have an unboxing video today. I ordered a set of batteries for my Nikon D5000 SLR camera that I found at the thrift store. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a manual, charger for digital camera batteries, in the language of your choice. Looks like we have the batteries here. Instead of Duracell, we have Bonacell. But if they work for the price they were, can't beat it. So I ordered 2 batteries. They had really good reviews. I don't doubt that they'll work. I've ordered other Chinese knockoff batteries and they've worked great. There's another one, same thing, Bonacell. Hopefully it doesn't come with the coronavirus as well. Now these I didn't order these from China. I ordered them here in the U.S. from Los Angeles area, but still they came from China. Okay, there's a charger. Simple battery charger. 120 volt, plug it in the wall. Has an adapter for the European countries. And it looks like it has a 12 volt car charger. Well, heck, you can't beat that. I think I paid about $17 or $18 for these. And one genuine Nikon battery is going to cost around $50. Alrighty. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.